Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today our video is going to be how to make a DIY quilling tool. So we are going to make our DIY tool with a toothpick. So you can try with a skewer too, but today I'm going to show you with a toothpick. It's easily available with everybody. So for doing this, we need a sharp craft knife and a toothpick. That's it. So we don't need this sharp part here. We need a flat surface. So I'm going to snip off this part right here, this tapered part right here. It's going to take a bit of effort. Just rock your knife back and forth and keep rotating the toothpick. In a few passes, you are going to snip the toothpick. Here you go. Now what we do, we take this toothpick, find out the exact center, make sure your knife is sharp. You can also use a small blade or something, or you can sharpen your knife before you start doing this, but be careful not to hurt yourself. Find out the center and slowly rock it back and forth to make a groove. Then place it down. You're just going to split it. I don't know if you can see this. Let me insert this thing inside. Here you go. You see that? I just split the toothpick. I don't need more than this. This is more than enough for our quilling strip to go inside. I'll tell you how this works. Take your strip. Of course, this is a DIY tool, so it's not as efficient as your original quilling tool, but this can serve the purpose. So put the strip inside. Now start rolling your strip. Now gently push it out, and then you can glue. And we have got a coil here. So this is our DIY quilling tool with a toothpick. Now I'm going to show you another way of doing a quilling tool. This is the quilling tool that I made for myself. So you need a wooden dowel like this, a small stick or something, which is soft enough to push your needle in. You can use, you will find these in the craft stores or dollar stores. You get craft dowels here, and those are soft enough to push your needle. You can also use this cuticle stick. The thing is, you need to have a good diameter here so that you have enough space to push your needle in. Too small stick will not help us because we need space around the needle. So take a small stick, same way you cut the ends as we did for the toothpick. And then you need tapestry or upholstery needle. So you get it in this kind of needle set. I got this in a dollar store. So you have all kinds of needles in this. So I found the needle that we need. This is the upholstery needle. It has a big eye. This will help us put the quilling strip in. This will hold a strip, see? So what we are going to do, before we snip off, we are going to snip off this end right here. So before we do that, we take our dowel and make a mark where you want to insert your needle right here. So try to push your needle in at least about this much, about half a centimeter or so. Try to make a hole in the center. Try pushing in as much as you can and make a hole. So probably you might push in about this much. So we need only about this part of the needle here. So you can take a cutting plier and snip off right here. You can snip off this needle. So we are going to use only this part. And then you need to snip off this end too. Where you have the eye, you're going to basically snip off the eye. You don't need the eye anymore. We only need the slot. So snip off right here. And after you do it, you take a E6000 glue. This is a very strong glue, or any quick fix glue. You can take this glue and dip a tiny bit in the needle that you snipped. Take a tiny bit on the other end, and then you already made a hole here. I already told you you need the dowel that is soft enough for the needle to go in. So once you make a hole, fill this place with glue. Also dip your needle in the glue and then push it in. Leave it to set for about 24 hours and your quilling needle will be ready to use. This will be nice and strong. I made this needle about 6 years back and I still use it. There is no chance that the needle shakes or wobbly or it's trying to come out. I did it and I'm using it for 6 years now. It's nice and strong. Hope this video was helpful to you. Try it and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you.